So you have to see that also, and the particular L is equal to pi dn, and we have to take the total length of the chip removed per minute also, and we have to just take the ratio of T by TC, uncut chip thickness to chip thickness. CR, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So just try to see the problem. So the particular things we have to see, and R is equal to T by TC as given. The what is T here? We have to take the feed and uncut chip thickness. We have to take as 1.2 mm, and this is 0.66. So all these are very important things you have to see, because all this will come under short answer in part A. So just small problems you may be thinking, but the formulas are very important. And K is equal to inverse of 1 by R, inverse of chip thickness ratio. So you have got 0.66, that is 1 by 0.66, you will get 1.5. Cell length of the chip is pi dn. Length of the chip is pi dn. So what is R? So R is equal to, again you can take that particular LC. LC is the length of the chip by L is length of uncut chip. So LC is equal to R into L. So you can say that R already have calculated at 0.66. 0.66 into pi dn. So what is D? D is the diameter of the workpiece, and pi you can take 22 by 7, 3.14. D is 50 mm, and N is the particular rotational speed, workpiece rotational speed as 70. So you just try to calculate and try to verify whether the answer is correct or not. CR, all the participants try to calculate and try to see the particular students, try to see whether the formula, whether the answer you have got is correct or not. Okay.
Okay.
7523.4, because some people don't know how to use the calculator. Shift like some particular buttons are there. We'll just try to see in the, while calculating the angle also, I'll try to just educate you how to use the calculator also. Not all, don't offend, but we have seen in the classes while we are while we are there. So just try to see that, and that is very important, and you just try to see that. So what is the particular, have you got the answer? Have you?
సార్ చాలా మంది వెయిటింగ్ లో ఉన్నారు సార్, అడుగుతున్నారు.
ఓకే, పర్వాలేదు పర్వాలేదు, నేను వెయిట్ చేస్తాను. మరి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి కదా, రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు కోఆపరేట్, because today some problem was the yesterday schedule, but some it was not added. I think I saved an, but some problem was there. So just during the orthogonal machining, you just try to see the first problem. Okay, so the first problem relates to orthogonal cutting of a mild steel rod of 50 mm diameter. He has given the diameter, he has given the feed. Feed you can take as the T, that is uncut chip thickness, and the chip thickness is given as 1.2 mm. Workpiece rotational speed is taken as 70 rpm. So all these are very important things. So already 93 participants, it is enough, because it's, every day all are joining in the middle, but in the middle. So we can start. So all the students have come. Have you noted down the problem? Gopal Krishna garu. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. స్క్రీన్ కూడా పోయింది. ఒకసారి చూడండి. వెళ్ళాలా బ్యాటరీ అడ్మిట్ అవ్వాలని ఎక్కడ ఉందో అంటున్నాను. వెయిటింగ్ లో ఉన్నారు. ఫోన్లో వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి చూడండి. దాన్ని అడిగి అడ్మిట్ అవ్వాలి ఎక్కడ ఉంది.
అడ్మిట్ కావాలంటే ఎక్కడ ఉన్నానో అడుగుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ముందు మ్యూట్ పెట్టుకోరేంటి?
ఓకే సార్. $91 members. Sir. Hello.
హలో అమ్మా, చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ప్రశాంత్ కుమార్ ఎవరు? రోల్ నెంబర్ తో అవ్వండి. మా మీరు రీనేమ్ చేయాలి. మీరు రీనేమ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. మీ కొంతమంది నేమ్స్ తో లాగిన్ అయ్యారు. సత్యనారాయణ, శ్రవణ్
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
వెంకటేష్,
సిఆర్
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
అడ్మిట్ అవ్వాలి అందరూ అయ్యారు కదా?
అవుతున్నా.
ఎస్.
అదే అదే
అవుతుంది
ఏదో సార్.
సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే ఇప్పుడు
అవుతున్నారు
చూడండి,
సార్.
ఒకసారి నేను అడ్మిట్ అవ్వాలని అందరినీ చేశాను. మళ్ళీ స్క్రీన్ ఒకసారి చూస్తున్నాను, షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. మళ్ళీ చూడండి, ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ ఒకసారి చూడండి. షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను మళ్ళీని. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
ప్రాబ్లమ్సే కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా మెల్లిగా వెళ్దాంలే. ఇవాళ ఒక చిన్న స్మాల్ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇది కనిపిస్తుందా స్క్రీనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే చూడండి.
sir.
ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి అమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం మీరు ఒకసారి ఐ ట్రై టు జస్ట్ read the problem. So the following data, whatever data is given, it relates to the orthogonal turning of mild steel rod of mm diameter. Speed is 0.8 mm. Chip thickness is 1.2. Workpiece rotational speed is it is given by capital N. It is 70 rpm. So it's asked to calculate the chip thickness ratio. Already we have discussed in the theory what is chip thickness ratio. Uncut chip thickness by chip thickness. So chip thickness you have to take as this one. So you have to take that as sorry.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఆగిపోయింది సార్.
అదే మీరు అడ్మిట్ అనే ఇచ్చేస్తుంటే అయిపోతుందమ్మా, ఇంకేమైనా అడ్మిట్ చేయను. సో సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్టికులర్ ద చిప్ థిక్నెస్ దిస్ వన్, reduction coefficient is 1/r. So 1/r is the chip thick reduction coefficient, which is inverse of the chip thickness ratio. So 1/0.66, 1.5. So L is equal to pi dn. So what is L? Length of the chip. Also write the length of the chip, the ratio of the uncut length to length of the chip length as a ratio of L is equal to R is equal to LC by L. So LC is equal to R into L. LC is equal to R into L. So that is R already have calculated chip ratio 0.66. What is L? Pi dn. So pi dn 22/7 3.14. What is diameter? Diameter is given in the data as 50 mm. And n is the particular workpiece rotational speed. It is 70 rpm. So you are getting this particular answer. I'll share the problems in the mail, but you try to know the concepts. This are given in the part A short problems. So here, can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
All the okay. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
first problem. Okay, this is the first problem. So we'll go to the second problem now. And this is the particular thing during orthogonal machining. So you note down, you have the notes and you try to confirm the answer also. Suppose I am doing something wrong calculation or wrong formula, you have to identify. That is the spirit or the concentration you should have. So second one, during orthogonal machining, the tool had a rake angle of 10 degrees and chip thickness is measured as 0.45 mm. So he has given the uncut metal thickness as 0.16. So he has asked to find out the shear angle and shear strain. You just try to see that particular the problem. Okay, see the problem. I'll try to zoom it. I'll try to, because beyond a certain limit we cannot zoom it. Can you see the screen clearly? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
particular problem we are just trying to have. And so during orthogonal machining, this particular tool at a rake angle of 10 degrees. So 10 degrees is alpha. So what is T? T is already, he has directly given unmetal thickness 0.16 mm. 16 mm. So this is the particular thing, and the uncut, this metal thickness he has given as 0.45 mm. But what is our, in order to find out the rake, that particular shear angle, you have to know shear angle is tan inverse r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. You note down the formula. So you have to first calculate R. R is unknown here. So R is the chip, ratio of the uncut chip thickness to chip thickness. So it is 0.16 by 0.45. You can see that. So it is coming to 0.35. So you also calculate on your side, because today I want to tell only 4 problems, but we have lost so much time. We'll try to take the this particular up to 5 to 11. Okay. So we have that particular thing, and we have to see that these are the particular shear angle is tan inverse or cos alpha. So that particular equation, what is alpha? Alpha is rake angle. So we try to calculate cos 10, 0.35 into cos 10 by 1 minus 0.35 into sin 10. So have you got that particular answer? All of you try to take your calculators and try to tell. You have got the answer on the screen. 25 degrees. CR? CR? So try to take the calculators, all the students, and try to confirm. So unmute yourself and try to respond to my particular the whatever I'm asking. So don't talk unnecessarily, because this is an important part where we can have as much as 14 marks in this particular chapter. So 14 marks or up to 11 marks or 12 marks. We can have short answer. We might give this type of problems, and the big ones we'll do tomorrow. So we'll try to concentrate. So shear angle is this. So this is the particular thing we try to have, and we have that particular this. So whenever I am clicking, there's a problem. I don't want to enter the latecomers. Still, some people are coming, because though today we had some problem, but not every day. No, still people are joining late. So you just try to see that particular this one. So this is the particular So what is the shear strain? Yesterday I told you the particular derivation. Directly the formula you have to just remember about the shear strain. So what is shear strain? Shear strain is cot phi. What is phi? You have calculated now. Shear angle. Shear phi is the shear angle. So you have to substitute the value of shear angle in the equation for shear strain, or in the formula for shear strain. Cot phi is equal to cot phi plus tan of phi minus alpha. So you have got shear strain as 2.34. So you know any strain, whether it is of materials, because this is related of materials, the mechanics of orthogonal cutting. So there will be no units for shear strain. Okay. So this is the particular second problem. All of you have just noted down this one. All the participants, all the students. CR. So you just try to confirm the answers. Answers also you just try to see. Okay. So that is the particular thing regarding the while calculating the shear angle. First of all, you have to know the chip thickness ratio R, and you have to substitute that R in the formula. So shear but cot phi plus tan of phi minus alpha. So all these are very important as you have to see. So third problem, you just try to see again. I'll repeat for those who are latecomers. You just try to see that, and because every time I'm just entering the people, the screen is going off. So you try to just see that third problem. So I don't know, 8 people are still entering. The support faculty also has to cooperate, because he can also try to enter that particular people. Okay, Gopal Krishna garu unnaru kada?
Sir, already there, sir. But one thing is there. నేను co-host కింద జాయిన్ చేయాలండి. మీరు చేస్తే నేను పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వగలను, లేకపోతే అవదు నాకు.
ఓకే, అంటే మనకి కొత్త కదా, నాకు కొంత కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది. నేను చూస్తానులేండి, నేను చూస్తాను. ఎవరెవరు వెయిటింగ్ లో ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ నంబర్స్ తీసేసుకోండి. వాళ్ళ నంబర్స్ తీసుకొని నాకు అటెండెన్స్ ఇస్తానని చెప్పండి వాళ్ళకు.
అదే సార్.
ఓకే,
నేను పర్మిషన్ కుదరదు, అది లేకపోతే ఇచ్చేవాడు.
ఓకే, అర్థమైంది. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ వ్యూ చేస్తే స్క్రీన్ పోతుందమ్మా.
ఓకేనండి.
నీకు అదే ప్రాబ్లము, నాకు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోండి. ప్రతిసారి నేను షేర్ ద స్క్రీన్కి వెళ్ళవలసి వస్తుంది. నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇక్కడ వర్ణాన్వితం. సో థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ a bar of 85 mm diameter is turned down. So third problem is related to, he has asked cutting ratio and the shear angle. Cutting ratio, but yes, this is a typical problem in which he has given the original diameter, that is a raw workpiece of 85 mm diameter. It is turned down to 80 mm. So if mean length of cut chip is 83 mm, so he has given the rake angle also as, as 12 degrees alpha, and cutting is orthogonal cutting. So he has given the particular cutting ratio he has given, and this is the particular cutting ratio is LC by L. Already I told you the cutting ratio can be written as T by TC or LC by L. So L is pi into D1 plus D2 by 2. So what is D1? Original diameter he has taken as 85 mm diameter. So the other diameter, when it's turned down, it is turned down to 80. So 85 plus 80, you have to take the mean diameter, pi. D is equal to D1 plus D2 by 2, pi D. So it is 250. So you just try to see the answer also. So what is R? R is LC by L. LC has given already. The length of cut chip is 83. So here length of uncut chip we have calculated now. So you try to take that LC by L, it is coming to 0.32. So substitute that in this particular shear angle equation. Already I told you. What is shear angle? Tan of phi is equal to R cos alpha by 1 minus R sin alpha. So you are getting that as this 18 degrees 52 minutes, or shear angle phi is equal to tan inverse R cos alpha by 1 minus R sin alpha. So just try to have, so you just try to take this particular problem also. So these are you may be thinking that they are small problems, but they're very useful in competitive exams. And part A is asking this type of problems for 2 to 3 marks also, 2 marks or 3 marks. So just try to see that. So Ajad has raised hands here. What is the problem? You can speak, Ajad. Ajad.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను సార్, సో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
Okay. So we will.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
Okay.
సార్ మా స్టూడెంట్స్ కొంతమంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మీరు నేమ్స్ తోనే ఉన్నారు, ఇంకా కొంతమంది కళ్యాణ్ కొప్పాక.
నాకు నేను వ్యూ చేయాలా నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. వ్యూ చేసినప్పుడల్లా స్క్రీన్ పోతుంది. అడ్మిట్ అవ్వాలని కొట్టేస్తానులేండి. ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి,
నేమ్స్ తో కార్తిక్ బాబు నేమ్స్ తో రిజిస్టర్ అవుతున్నారు.
అడ్మిట్ అవ్వాలని కొట్టేసాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవుతారులేండి, చూడండి.
మీరు రోల్ నెంబర్స్ తో రీనేమ్ చేయండి అండి స్టూడెంట్స్. మీరు రోల్ నెంబర్ ఎంటర్ అవ్వండి, లేకపోతే అటెండెన్స్ మీకు పడదు, కన్సిడర్ చేయరు. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సత్యనారాయణ అండ్ వెంకటేష్ ఎంగల్ శెట్టి.
Okay. Again,
Okay, sir.
So again, I'll go for the screen sharing. It is a habit of today's class. So already the guidelines I've given to the students, so don't have to worry. If they are joining with the names, attendance will not be given. So you just try to take the fourth problem also. Fourth problem is related to the particular data is given. He has asked the particular to calculate the compression and shear force. So already I told you compression force is given by the notation FC, and the shear force is given by the expression FS. So yesterday in the derivation we have revised the derivation of the Merton circle diagram. Compression force FC is given as FF. FF is the feed force. FF into cos phi. Phi is the shear angle plus FT into sin phi. FT into sin phi. So you just try to calculate, and FF feed force he has given as 850 newtons in the data. 850 newtons. So the cutting force is nothing but the tangential force. Already I told you, tangential force is the horizontal component of this one, horizontal component of the orthogonal cutting force, and FF is the vertical component. So you try to calculate the compression force, whatever is the particular problem. So again, Here shear force is given by the formula Ft into cos phi. Ft into cos phi. So Ft into cos phi, Ft into cos phi minus Ff into sin phi. Ff into sin phi. So Ft is the tangential force and Ff is the feed force. So you just have to remember the formulas because already derivation we have finished, and you have to see that you are getting the answers exactly as in the particular screen. So you try on your side. So I'll wait for that. So he has asked to calculate the shear angle also, and he has given the chip thickness ratio as 0.26 and rake angle as alpha. Alpha is given by the rake angle 10 degrees. So shear angle already told you it is, the formula is tan phi is equal to r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. 1 minus r sin alpha. So you are getting that as 14.89. But you should not represent any degrees like this. I just wanted to show you on the screen, but you just try to see that you try to have that you just all are having calculators now. So all you just try to see in the calculator ENG. In the calculator we have ENG. So in the calculator we have ENG. Above the ENG we have one button. We have one button. So you just try to press whatever answer you are getting. You try to press the button. So you will be getting that particular instead of 14.89, you will be getting the answer as 14 degrees 14 degrees some minutes. You just try to see. All of you have to confirm that particular answer immediately. So we have to calculate the compression force in this particular problem. By the formula you have got Fc is equal to 1320 newtons, and shear force you have got as 1328 newtons. So any problem, if you observe any data, if you give the raw data also, you can have that particular, you can observe that the shear force always greater. Shear force along the shear plane will be always greater than the compression force. Not only this problem, any problem you see, you have to observe this particular things as a mechanical engineer. Don't blindly do the problems with the data by mugging the formula. So coefficient of friction, yesterday we have seen, it can also be written formula Ff plus Ft tan alpha by Ft minus Ff tan alpha. So you try to calculate that. You have got that as Ff you have got as 850 as given in the data, and Ft is given as 1600. So all, if you substitute that Ff feed force, that is a vertical component, and Ft the tangential force, that is a horizontal component, in the equation of mu, you will be getting the coefficient of friction as 0.78. So all this you can see. Suppose I ask you, my dear students, suppose I ask you to find out this beta. What is beta? Friction angle. So how you calculate from this particular friction angle? How you calculate? So you have already got the mu, some particular value. Mu you have got, how much value you have got? Mu you have got as 0.78. So 0.78 is equal to tan beta. Beta is equal to tan inverse 0.78. You try to tell me how much you have got beta also. So all that are very important. So you just try to say Sunil garu nenu class lo unnanu tarvata chestanu. So all these are the particular terms. So just try to calculate the particular friction angle also. Okay. Are waiting still. So just try to see, and again I'll share the screen and come back to you. This is the problem. So as far as this particular class is concerned, so these are the so tomorrow we'll try to just enhance or just take down the particular other problems also. Those who have joined late, you just try to comply with this particular. Today we had some problem regarding some net or something. So just try to have that particular problems. So these are the 4 problems. So I don't know how to admit this also, because whenever I'm clicking more, the They are not. So all these are the particular problems, and you people try to join in time. Though today we had a problem on our side, but you try to. Okay.
Hello.
So I'll again. Okay. Ente? Who's that?
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
Okay. So I don't want to go because just try to see.
Hello. My dear students, already I will take the attendance. Whose are not registered your roll number. That is the your okay. Somebody has registered with their names. Deepa something and Satyanarayana and Karthik Babu. Okay, they will rename. Okay, they will rename your okay. That is your register numbers with your register number. While you are not getting the attendance, Karthik Babu, are you here? Please respond, Karthik Babu. Just unmute your mic, Karthik Babu and Satyanarayana and Deepa. Somebody posted Deepa Vantalakka.
So they're just purposely doing Gopal Krishna Garu every day they are coming with this one roll numbers.
Okay, sir.
Every day we cannot tell the guidelines because we have to complete the whatever topics we have planned for that particular day. Okay. So all of you see once the problems. So first problem, the data is given. He has asked to find out the particular chip thickness ratio, and suppose he is asking the chip compression ratio. Chip compression ratio is inverse of 1 by R. Is also known as chip reduction ratio. So he has asked the total length of chip removed per minute. So simply it is nothing but L is equal to pi dn. L is the length of uncut chip. So we can write the chip thickness ratio in terms of the ratio of the chip length by uncut chip length. So that is the we have done. Data is given anyway. So you can have your own data also, not the same as in the particular question paper or the particular this one. So Gopal Krishna garu kondaru mute chesin sir.
Silent.
So some are disturbing. So in the second problem, we are revising the problems. In the second problem, he has given the alpha rake angle. He has given the chip thickness as T. Chip thickness as T. The particular the chip thickness TC, he has given as 0.45 mm. He has given the uncut metal chip thickness as 0.16. He has asked to find out the shear angle. Before finding out the shear angle, already I told you, we have to find out the R, chip thickness ratio. Chip thickness ratio. So after calculating the chip thickness ratio, you try to substitute in that particular equation tan phi is equal to R cos alpha by 1 minus R sin alpha. So all these derivations we have done, or you have to remember the formulas only and try to substitute after calculating, try to substitute in that particular formula. So shear strain also, yesterday I have done in the Merchant circle diagram, is equal to cot phi plus tan of phi minus alpha. So all these are very important things you have to consider. All these are very important things you have to consider. So this is the second problem. Third problem already I told you. So particular workpiece diameter is there, 85 mm diameter. That particular diameter you have to turn down to 80 mm. You have reduced the diameter by turning operation. So he has given the mean length of cut chip, that is LC, he has given as 83 mm. Rake angle has given, and he has asked to find out the cutting ratio. So cutting ratio same LC by L, but you have to find out the mean, the particular uncut chip length is given by pi into d1 plus d2 by 2. So before calculating capital D is given as the mean diameter, d1 plus d2 by 2. So R is equal to LC by L. So again, you try to calculate this in this particular formula, shear angle. So you may be thinking silly, but if you are not concentrating, and this are useful for part A. So part B problems tomorrow will start. So fourth problem, he has given the data, related data, feed force, he has given FF.
From the following data related to orthogonal
So,
cutting.
So first of all, while starting the problem, so he has given the data, you have to write the given data. You have to write the that is FF.
Oh,
FF as the
Please
particular
silent.
feed force. FF as the feed force. FT as the tangential force. Tangential force or the cutting force is one and the same. So you have to write the given data. R is equal to the chip thickness ratio. He has given us 0.26 and alpha rake angle. So you have to substitute the values. First of all, you have to calculate the shear angle like the previous problem, and he has asked the compression force and the shear force. Compression force will be FF into cos phi. So yesterday in the derivations we have calculated, we have done this one. So all these are very important part, and plus Ft into sin phi, plus Ft into sin phi. So you have to see that this compression force, you are getting some 1320, just try to confirm. So again, what is shear force? Shear force will be along the shear plane. So that's why I already told you why you are taking phi, that is the shear angle, into consideration, and why you are taking for NNF the particular formulas, why you are taking the rake angle, because rake angle will be along the rake tool face. Yesterday we have discussed. So upon calculation, you are getting the shear force as some particular value. But already I told you, I have to observe some things that the shear force, because it is acting along the shear plane, it will be always be more than that of the particular compression force. Ajad, have you any doubt? Ajad has raised the hand. Are you having any doubts here?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Some are raising hand. That's why I asked in the middle. So coefficient of friction. Yesterday in the derivation also, I already told you we have the particular coefficient of friction also. Mu is known as kinetic coefficient of friction. So it is FF. FF is the particular compression force. FF is the feed force. Ft is the tangential force. So already I told you FF is the vertical component and Ft is the horizontal component. So that is the thing, and you have to calculate the particular coefficient of friction. You are getting 0.78. I just added some particular extension for this problem. So beta is equal to, what is beta? Beta is equal to, what is beta? Angle of friction. So mu is equal to tan beta. Mu is equal to tan beta. Mu is equal to tan beta means what? Or beta is equal to tan inverse of mu. Suppose you want to calculate the particular angle of friction. So beta is equal to tan inverse of whatever value you have got. Some point, you just try to say 0.78. Beta is equal to tan inverse of 0.78. So you just try to tell me, you calculate and try to tell me how much you have got the angle of friction beta. Beta is equal to tan inverse of 0.78. Anybody? And not only the CRs, other people are sleeping. Other people are cracking jokes among themselves. It is not good for the class, because this is online class. Everything is being recorded. Some particular technical problems will be there due to internet connection. So just try to please maintain the decorum of the class, because 2 sections are there. We have to control the class. Okay. So just try to see that. Another 3 minutes, you just try to go for the particular this formulas are important. Already I told you. Again, we'll revise the formulas. And tomorrow I want to say that we'll try to go for the particular 8 marks or 9 marks or 10 marks problems. So whatever it is, not about the marks, but in part B is asking the problems related to that one. We'll just try to go for that. What?
2 minutes, sir. Kelan garu, Gopal.
Okay. 2 minutes lo నేను చేస్తాను, పర్లేదు. సో చెప్పండి, గోపాలకృష్ణ గారు మాట్లాడతారా?
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
ఓకే.
మా సత్యనారాయణ, ధనాల్ శెట్టి అండ్ కార్తిక్ బాబు వాళ్ళు రోజు ఎవ్రీడే కూడా నేమ్స్ తోనే రిజిస్టర్ అవుతున్నారు. అటెండెన్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేయబడదు. ఓకేనా? సో వాళ్ళు చూసుకోండి. అండ్ ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఎవరో ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కోసం వంటలక్క అని చెప్పేసి ఎవరో దీపా వంటలక్క అని చెప్పేసి ఒకళ్ళు పెట్టి చేస్తున్నారు. ఇవన్నీ కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుతున్నాయండి. మీరు ఇబ్బంది పడతారు చెప్తున్నా. లైసెన్స్డ్ వెర్షన్ కాబట్టి ఎవరు ఏ మెయిల్ ఐడితో చేస్తున్నారు, చాటింగ్ ఏం చేశారు, ఎప్పుడు లాగిన్ అయ్యారు, ఎప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు మొత్తం కూడా A to Z ఇక్కడ రికార్డ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఎలాంటి చేయొద్దు, అలాంటి పనులు చేయొద్దమ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కోసం కాదు పెట్టింది, మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ బాగోక ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు దానికి కోఆపరేట్ చేయండి అందరూ. ఓకే సార్.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లో ఉంటే అలౌ చేయాలంటే వాళ్ళకి అటెండెన్స్ ఇచ్చేయండి, ఎందుకంటే నా ప్రాబ్లం కదా, నా సైడ్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. గోపాలకృష్ణ గారు,
అదే సార్, దీనికి గ్రేస్ టైం ఒక 15 to 20 minutes ఇచ్చేసేసి అప్పుడు పెడితే పోతుంది సార్. మనం
అదే 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 ఆల్రెడీ
వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లో
సపోర్టింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ కూడా అలా చూడండి. ఓకే 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 సార్, ఓకే విల్ లీవ్ ఫర్ టుడే అండ్ టుమారో యూ బీ ప్రిపేర్డ్. సమ్ ఆర్ నాట్ టెల్లింగ్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్స్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వెదర్ I cannot check all the 120 people or 180 people, whether you are having calculator. You be sincere. You be sincere. Today we have just gone to the fundamentals of problems on metal cutting. So we'll leave, and tomorrow again you come along with notes and calculator. Tomorrow we'll do 2 or 3 problems, big problems. Okay. So we'll leave. Okay. Thank you.
సార్ మీరు సైన్ అవుట్ చేయాలి సార్, మీది మర్చిపోవద్దు.
చేస్తాం.
ఎండ్ మీటింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత సైన్ అవుట్ కూడా కొడితేనే ఇంకొకళ్ళు సైన్ ఇన్ చేయగలరు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్, ఉంటాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.